guys, so today we're going to be doing a battle of the boxes. We're going to be doing IPSY versus BOXYCHARM. So before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed before you leave, and you can give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram because I want you to. So yeah, let's just dive right in. Okay, so we're going to do IPSY first, and that's what the bag always looks like, if you don't know. I did already open this, but for the sake of video, we're going to unbox together. So the bag this month, it's like kind of like star themed, like constellation themed. It's actually a pretty color. It just has a plain back and then it says IPSY right here. So in the bag, first product I'm going to be using is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And so how I use these products, and it's perfect because my hair is wet, so I just brush out my hair a little bit. And then what I do is I grab these like leave-in conditioner type products and I spray on the ends. It's kind of hard to demonstrate, but I kind of just spray because my hair is so fine, so it gets really like knotty. And then I just brush it out. And it kind of disperses the product where I need it to go. I like that product. I've had it before. I've used the ones that I've had up before. So I don't know, my hair is like really bad today. Normally this just, I think it's because I'm like sitting too, I didn't get all of it. But normally this like helps immediately with the like detangling. So we are all detangled. The next thing in IPSY is this Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. And that's perfect because that's what I need. So I'm guessing the brand is called Unicorn Glow. Looks like that. Actually, I moisturize my face, so I hope this is super hydrating because I don't think I'm gonna be changing my makeup. Feels kind of like almost like a silicone, but also like a gel moisturizer. Leaning more towards the gel moisturizer side. It's really thick. Like it feels really thick going on. Maybe I use too much, but so that's what I'm looking like. I don't know. It doesn't seem like extra glowy to me, but we'll see how it does under makeup. So the next thing, so I'm going to do my base makeup because the next step is like powder products for on top of the skin. So I'm going to go do that and then I will be right back. Alright, so I have my base makeup done. I did a little bit of bronzer and contour situation to set my eyes. I did my brows. Okay. So next thing in the IPSY bag this month is the Ofra and Madison Miller collaboration, and this is a blush. It looks beautiful. This is the shade Sweet Stuff. So I'm just gonna grab my normal blush brush and just tap a little bit. I've never tried Ofra blushes before, so I don't know what to really expect. And this looks like a matte, so that's good. Because I prefer a matte blush. It's pretty. I'm going to take my little puff from Beauty Blender and just tap. Make sure it's not too harsh. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's really pretty. Okay, so I was so dumb and I did my contour and I forgot to use this brush. So this is from Farrah Brushes and it's the Contour 218M. And that's what it looks like. It's like a royal blue or like a midnight blue color. I didn't realize that at first. So I already did my contour, but maybe I can just like highlight under my eyes a little bit again, even though I already did it. So I mean, it feels nice. I like my other Farrah brush that I got. I mean, it feels really soft. But I'm a little mad at myself right now. Yeah, I think that would like blend it out really nicely. It's a little flimsy, like it's not super like dense, if you know what I mean. But it feels nice. So that was stupid. Next in the bag, which I'm not actually going to be testing out, it's this Velvet Pressed Eyeshadow from Phase Zero Makeup. And I already did open this, and it's like a purple. So that is the packaging. And that's the eyeshadow. And it does come with like a little bit of a mirror. It's almost like mauve, like a pink, a little bit. And this is the shade, doesn't say, so I don't know if Velvet is the shade. But that is a swatch of it. So that's everything I got in my Ipsy bag. So just to recap, I got an eyeshadow, a blush, which is like a full-size blush, this contour brush, the hydrating primer, and the Briogeo spray. So that's a pretty good haul. Next is BOXYCHARM. This is the inside of the box, and the theme this month is all access. And they always give you the products on the product prices on the inside. So first thing I'm going to pull out of the box is the Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydrobiotic Sleeping Mask. I actually already have this, so I'll be putting this in a giveaway for one of you. And I'm not going to test it, obviously. But it is good. It's not like my favorite ever, but I like it. You know what I mean? Next thing we are going to be testing, which I'm not really excited about this, I'll be honest, because I saw the sneak peeks, and there were 3 shadow palettes that we could have gotten. And one was from Too Faced, and one was from, or actually Too Faced was I believe the natural face palette, which was like bronzers and blushes and stuff. And then the other eyeshadow was the Tarte Clay Play palette, I believe it's called. And then the third option was the Violet Voss Essentials palette. And I wasn't really excited for this palette. I wanted either the Too Faced or the Tarte one, so that's kind of annoying. But this is the inside of it. I mean, it's pretty. I just didn't, I don't know. I'm just not excited about it. So hopefully it's like amazing shadows. And oh wait, I didn't even tell you the prices. So the Dr. Brandt product retails for $52. $52. That's insane. I wonder if it's this size though, because I have I think I have like a tub of it, so I wonder if the tub retails for more or less. But yeah, so $52 going in a giveaway. The Violet Voss palette is $29. It's not actually that bad. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, 10. 10 shades in here, and I think it's supposed to be like staples. So you have like your transition, you have a black, you have a cream, like that kind of thing. But the cream actually has shimmer in it. So yeah, and then the next thing in the box, which actually relates to the palette, is this Moda Pro brush set. And there's 5 brushes in here, and this retails for... Oh no! I did my brows, and there's a brow product in here. Shit. We're gonna have to wipe down the brows. Alright. So this retails for $27.95. You get 5 brushes, so that's not bad at all. And I'm just gonna test out these babies. I have one brush from this like collection. I wonder if it's in here. No, I have like a different brush that's in here from this this handle. I know, and I really love it. It's so good. So what we're gonna do first with this eye look, I'm gonna do something so basic. So I'm gonna go into sand first with one of the brushes, the blending brush. Tap a little bit. So it's like a peach transition. So I did prime and set my eyelids already. Now this is super like precise, if you can tell. it's like a super pointed tip, so it gets right in that crease. And I'm not sure. I think this might be better for like packing product on rather than blending it out. I mean, it's doing an okay job. Yeah, I like that. I like that color. It's a pretty color. I am having to dip back in a little bit, and I don't know if that's the brush or the product to get like the desired effect that I want. Alright. So what we're looking like, so there's like a more precise blender, like a tiny one. And I'm gonna go in, with the shade Cinnamon. So it's that brown, and we're just gonna, you know, do your very basic eye look and deepen up the outer V part. It's not really packing on a whole lot. Oh, there it goes. Okay, that was better. So that first one made me a little bit nervous because nothing was really coming off. So I'm just going to stamp it for now, and then I'll go back in with that other shade. Alright, we're going to go in with the other brush and pick up the first shade just a little bit and then blend it a little bit. And I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of did a little bit blend away, so I'm going to have to go back in and kind of re-intensify that. No additional product, going back in and blending. Alright, that's I'm going to keep it at that. And then I'm going to swatch a couple of the shimmer shades. So those are the 4 shimmers that are in the palette. Ooh. Okay, so that's what they look like. I hope you can see that. I don't know why I swatched them there like that, but they're pretty. I think I'm going to go in with the pink shade and then put the like cream on top. So I'm going to use the brush to start, but I prefer using my fingers for shimmers, so we'll see how that goes. I'm going to get the smaller brush. Looks like a packing brush to me, and I'm going to go in with the shade Pink and just pack that. And I'm not going to wet it or anything, I just want to see how this goes. And just pack it on the whole lid. So it's not doing a bad job, but I am going to take my finger and do the other lid with just my finger and see if we get more payoff. Yeah, you definitely get more with the finger, which is, that's fine. Like, that's how I prefer to apply my shadows. These are super soft to the touch. It's like a bubble gum. And then I'm going to take the other brush, which is this guy right here, and grab the shade Cream. And then tap that on top just to make it a little bit less pink, because I am wearing a pink shirt. We got a little bit of fallout, so I just want to clean that up with the brush. So the next product is this eyeliner, and this is from Hank & Henry, and it is a black eyeliner. It's called Blickety Black. This retails for 20 bucks. Ooh, that looks nice. So I'm gonna... Not sure about that, but we will try it. It is a brush tip. This doesn't look super, like, I don't know. We'll see. See how it goes. I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I don't have time for that. That actually looks beautiful. I don't think, maybe now that it's warmed up. No, it doesn't like swatch great. But, I mean, on the eyes it looks really nice, so that's cool. And then, I believe, is this the last thing? Yeah, so this is the last thing, and I'm actually so excited about this. This is from Billion Dollar Brows, and it is a brow, what's it called? The Microblade Effect Brow Pen. So it's a brow pen, and it has these tiny little hair stroke things. Now, I forgot about this, and I already did my brows, so we're going to still play with it, but just so you know, there's already product in here. This retails for $18. I've never used like a brow pen before. Oh, and this is the shade Dark, which is good. Might be a little too dark. I don't know if I'm loving it. And I don't know if it looks any more natural than if I did my brows with a pencil. But it is very dark. What do you think? I mean, my brows are already done, so like this might not be its true color. But here we are. So I'm going to go in with my Josie Maran product and just highlight. I'm going to grab the remaining Moda brush and just kind of blend that out. That's just what my brows are going to look like today. They're just going to be really fierce. That is it. Let me just put on some mascara and then we'll talk about everything. Alright, this is it. Yeah, I thought it was an okay box. I just think like I'm a little jilted because I wanted the other palettes from the box. So, yeah, I don't know. But, I mean, you got a whole eyeshadow palette. It's a pretty great. So, I don't know. And I'll definitely use the brushes. And I'll probably try the brow product again. And the eyeliner was good. I mean, so far so good. The swatches were not great, but on the eyes it performed really well. So, I think my favorite, I don't know, because in IPSY we got a full blush. I don't know. It's pretty evenly matched right now because I really like the blush from IPSY, but I like the brush set from Boxy, but I like the contour brush from IPSY, but I like the eyeliner from Boxy, so it's kind of like 50-50. I can't really decide, so let me know which one you liked better. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!